everyone. So I decided today that we were able to drop off the kids a little early, well, later, earlier, whatever you want to call it, because we have breakfast. I was going to give you a room tour. So we're in room 2420, Carnival Horizon, Family Harbor. This is how we get the lights work. You have to put in your, I'm sorry, I'm looking at it through the camera. Through there, lights come on. On the left side, we have so much storage. So we have two long closets, and we keep our dirty clothes in that hamper. We have some shelves on this side. This is where we have the safe, where we keep some extra stuff. I am still in school, which is why you see that there, because I am still studying, even though I'm on board. We have drawers for everyone. Now don't mind the mess, there's quite a bit of a mess, just because we've been here already several days. We had them lower one bunk bed, and then they converted the couch into the second bed, which is where Alex now sleeps. They put two twin beds together. This is what we sort of designated as the baby changing station. The only thing is we have our beach towels on there right now. But this is our baby changing station, so we change diapers here, get them dressed here in this little corner. We have our bathing suits drying from yesterday's beach time. But this is an absolutely awesome space, awesome room, very spacious. So I suggest that if you have smaller kids, the price is a little bit more. I suggest you do the ocean view. The space is just phenomenal for two toddlers, because in the regular room, I'm sorry, you just heard my husband, in the regular room, interior cabin, it's a lot tighter. They don't have much space to run around and play and burn some energy when you're trying to relax. Oh, and I forgot to show you this animal, guys. I still don't know what it is, but it's been hanging out up there for the past couple days. But yeah, so, and then this ocean view cabin does have two restrooms. So it has one with a bathtub, which is phenomenal, because my kids will prefer baths over showers. So that is another perk of having the ocean view in a family harbor. You get one with a bathtub. Here's the famous Larry. Alright, honey, I'm just going to squeeze by you just to show you the next bathroom. This is the second bathroom, which is like more of the primary bathroom. It has the toilet, it has a big mirror, a bunch of shelves, a lot of vanity space, a regular shower. So no bathtub in this one, but it is absolutely amazing. You have your own temperature gauge where you can control the temperature in the room. So it's, as you can see, very spacious. I'm going to back up so you can see this is against the door. So look at that, all that space. So you're walking for quite a bit, about 5-6 steps to even get into the actual bedroom area. If you don't have two kids, if you only have one, they can sleep up there. You can keep a couch there where you guys can sit down and have some family time, and even use this table as like a game table. But as I said, this is our baby changing station. And if parents, if you have two little ones, this is, or even one little one, the best packing tip ever. And I can do a video on it if that's what you want. But, and these magnet hooks have been saving our lives. So yeah, there you have it. Through a cave system?
Yes, cave system.
Esas son las famosas motoconchas.
Sí. Aquí entonces teníamos de eso, cuando ya se
Sí.
chiquito. Oh, entonces se podía bajar a la plaza. ¿Ah? De aquel lado.
There's stairs? All right, back up and let's give one of your brothers a turn. This way, this
That's
way.
what I used to buy in
Stand right there. Right there, baby. Back up a little bit. Got it.
pero aquí al lado, no esto para la pesca. Mucho más bonito que muelle. Pero como le digo, tiene que venir con tiempo para morir de este país. Es muy hermoso. It's funny, like the tourists, not the tourists, but the guy giving the tour is actually the tourist too.
Yeah. You're just chilling.
There's some guineas up there.
No, but look at the turtle. I think.
No quisiera montarse. Aquello se le fue la hora tratando de aprender a montarse en esa cosa.
Sí, pero hay tiburones que cruzan de agua salada a agua dulce.
Se acostumbran.
Ajá. Si viven cerca o se unen, que fuera aquí hay una ladera, se mete por todos lados. Si fuera para bucear, eso sí, pero acá hay una arena. Se ve mal. Estamos aquí, ¿verdad? You can stand there and everything will be cooled down. You like it?
Vamos a tirarle una foto
Hacer
ahí.
un show. O los dos son What's up?
mencioné, llama, tírale una foto. Ponense ahí.
Igualito a Ponce.
Tranquilo, barre, como te dije.
Yo te llevo.
No me sé quien pueda.
Notice how their military building is even in military colors.